You can see it is Uttara center. I am showing you from the MRT station how the scenario is stored and the streets are nice. The people are, you can see how people are enjoying them. You can see this is Uttara center and stay tuned and watch the video. Let's sit with me. This is MRT center. From here you can see the natural beauties of Uttara. Once upon a time it was a very tourist spot. Nowadays has become the halo because of natural creation. You can see there are many buildings are established here. Once upon a time these places were empty. The creation of material many residence area has been created these places. You can see this is a great place to come and visit. You can see how beautiful this is the MRT station. You can see MRT station from MRT station to the center. You can see how beautiful the scenery is. The road and station to the center. You can see how beautiful the scenery is. And many places are coming up when enjoy beauties. You can see people are enjoying her every day. Many people are coming and watching the views. How charming the beauties of Uttara center is. You can enjoy this. And many times, many people come here to enjoy the natural beauties. This is Uttara center, Mandila, and it was a dreamland for Bangladeshi people. You can see. Every day many visitors come here to visit these places. This is MRT station Uttara center, Uttara content 3 MRT station, Uttara center, Uttara south, Uttara north. That is the ending point of metro, and it goes the ending point Motizil. You see. This place once upon a time was empty. There was no single house here. You can see now many buildings, residence has been created. Though MIT station was created, many people can go one place to another place easily. They can come and go and see these places in the center. Every time many people are coming here and watching these videos on scene. You see the beauties of MRT station. This is the wiring downing steps here from. You can see it's very much places for mind. If anyone can come, there are some nurseries. They can call it various types of these plants are from. You can see